to me, because of the way he knows me, okay, money. But I had to find a way to like make him understand that we learn every day. I can learn from you too. Like, sir, talk to me now, make I learn. I calm down. I learned some things. I'm saying that to say this, that we learn, we relearn, we unlearn. We are all not the same, agreed. But this situation that I've painted, let me tell you what it means when you do not attend such function. What it means is that, number one, please understand this scenario that I painted, not any other scenario. Because I understand the place of, what if now VIP thing the person they do, they not gonna invite you. I understand that one. I understand that one. What if the guy gets selected people when he won't see? He purposely not invite you. I understand that one. Now, in general terms, I want to show you how our world, our life, our everyday culture, our Nigeria, why our life be the way it be now. I want to show you now. Because we keep saying corruption, but meanwhile, we are corrupted. Now we be corruption by ourselves. Every day now they do corrupt things. But we would point finger as though those that are at the top, they vanished there. They grew up with the same way like us, the same system. So let me show you. We work for the same place. I can't say, oh, you don't even know how long I don't they plan this birthday. You don't know how much I don't they gather. You don't know all the energy, logistics when they put in so that the birthday go there alright. Especially in places where everybody wants show, say they belong, there be something. In the process of doing all these things, I may not be opportuned to tell the next person, say, Alpha, I better try a show. I mean, just that in the saying of it, I may miss telling you. But I believe that you have seen all the energy I have put in, because what I was understanding this morning was that the guy put in a lot of energy. The guy that cut my hair was even saying, now me cutting hair. And I'm like, you were cutting his hair in preparation for the birthday. Are you telling me he didn't? What other invitation do you need? So what we have done, see the corruption now. What you have now done as a person that did not go, you have pride first. You think that you are somebody, so they should give you, they should tell you. You say pride. You think pride? See, there is false humility. That's pride. When you are trying to be humble and you know you're not. For example, I go somewhere and somebody says, "Oh, K-Money, wow, K-Money, is this you?" Then I'm like, "Oh no, stop now, it's not." You are prideful. If you are somebody or you are something and they are giving you a flower, take it. You work for it, you want it. Don't try to not be doing no. So it's pride. You think you are somebody, they have to. I didn't want to talk like that in the morning. I'm like, this is pride. You think they have to specially invite you. Let me share a story with you so that you understand something. You understand humility, very dangerous thing. You have to be humble. What they displayed there was pride. I was just looking at them. Later now, tomorrow now, if that guy verse now say, when I not call my birthday, when I go say in the show himself, they discriminate. He didn't discriminate. You don't know what people are going through. Do you know that you just appearing, even though maybe you didn't like him or he doesn't like you, if you just appear, he may melt his mind. He may just calm down everything. Okay, now that you did not go, what did you achieve? Because you're feeling like something now. Now, if everybody went go, come the gist, and you see that girl when come that day, you will not be left out. And guess what? Your resentment will not be increasing. Now you cause some by yourself. Let me share the story I want to share with you. So one day, I'm not sure, last year or 2 years ago, I have one of my senior sisters like that normally does program. She will invite me. She likes me to like help be the prayer leader, like person that will start the program, either pray 1 hour or 2 hours. So, and she knows that I love Theophilus Sunday so much. I love Theophilus Sunday, but I've never met him at that time. And so she organized the program with Theophilus Sunday, and the program was going to happen in Jos. Now, this lady is in the US, so she stays in the US. She comes to Nigeria to do program and go back. So she now sent me a message and said, "Hey Raymond," she sent me a message in December. She now said, "Raymond, please, I'll be organizing a program in Jos. Would you be available?" I said, "Ma." He said, "Would you be available to lead in prayer?" I said, "Ma, anything when be God saying, I know they talk say no now. And you they tell me ahead of time." I said, "Ma, any program I have in February cancelled. Give me the date." She was so inspired. I'm giving this date for example. She now told, then immediately I agreed. She now said, your brother is also coming. I said, my brother who? He said, Theophilus Sunday. In my mind, I'm like, shit, if she had told me Theophilus Sunday is coming, I won't go. Because why? I don't like I like God to be the one to push me out. I don't want to be pushing myself out by myself. No, I don't want it to be like I'm going because of Theophilus Sunday. Now, listen, only for me to go to Jos a day, is it a day or 2 days before the program? I can't pinpoint. Before the program, I called my student. There's no state in this Nigeria that I don't have students. I called my students in Jos. I say, hey, Alpha, I organize people. I went with my equipment. What did I say I can't do? I can't lead prayer. Now prayer, they say I can't lead though. I went with my equipment. I drove my car. I said, if this one is coming from the US, she may not have a car to use. I said, but she may know somebody, no problem. In case they want to run an error, I will use my car. You have no idea what I did in that program. Let me bust your brain. I did not minister. Do you know why I did not minister? When it was time to pick up Theophilus Sunday, they now told me that there's nobody to know. I said, what? I said, man, where is it? Is it at the airport? Says, oh, we still land. I drove from the location to the airport 45 minutes. My own fuel to go and pick. I've never met Theophilus Sunday. I greeted him, welcome, sir. I didn't even know he was coming with somebody. So I didn't greet that guy. Until we got to the car, I saw that the guy was following. I felt so bad. That hey shit, I don't downgrade this guy. I don't know. But I counter my loss. We entered car. We drove me and we were gisting. We drove until, and I said, please pause. Let me find out if I should take you to the hotel or I should take you to the church. Nobody's, I'm not the part of logistic manager. Oh. Now administration, I can't minister. Oh. The way Theophilus Sunday can't minister, and so I can't minister. Oh. I called woman, should I bring Theophilus Sunday to church or take him to the hotel? He said, no, bring him to church first. Let me see him. We drove to church. Let me ask you a question. Have you seen a picture? Do you know, I've met a lot of people. You can never see my picture and another big man people have met. You won't see them on the internet. Everybody's not like me, I understand. People need those things for credibility. I don't need it. I stayed on the background. My point is that I did not minister that day because I was serving Minister Theophilus. Because if I did not do that, there are other things I don't want to say. Because other things happened behind the scene that I did. In fact, Minister Theophilus was taking his bath in the hotel. When they called me that it's my time to minister, I said, I'm sorry, I can't leave. Minister Theophilus is still taking it. But I said, don't come now, you come, you minister. I said, no, I'm sorry, I will stay here. It's not because I love him so much. No, I've seen the loopholes. If I don't do this thing now, it go reach time for this guy to minister, things go happen. Are you aware that in that program, I was not the sound engineer, I was not the media director, but I stood in the gap to make sure that everything went. At a point, everybody started reporting to me, sir, this is not working. Sir, how do we get this done? I worked myself for like 3 days. Now, they invite me to come minister. Oh. That's how to be a leader. That's how to be responsible. That's how to do this. But when you keep doing selfish, me, they not call me, I not go. If they not invite, tell me and say I won't go US now. It's an example. I can't call that lady. Hello, ma, and please, I'm coming to the state.